What is the brand of the sunglasses? They are Gucci, actually. The frame is Gucci.
Hi, treasures. Please like, subscribe, leave comments. It helps us a lot.
What do you call it again?
And thank you.
The juice of the...
He is enjoying that juice.
Oh, yeah. Whiskey.
Whiskey.
That's what you call it.
So, those done.
Okay, I'm going to the bottom of the different category. He's drinking shrimp juice, yes?
Yeah.
I hate him lifting that up like that.
Good with juice.
And he's washing his hands with water. OMG, does he really got a pillow there with that coconut laying with a rag over it? You gotta be shitting me. Jeez, and how old are these people? They're gonna get it one day. Jeez.
He likes it juicy. Juicy Boozy says he likes it juicy.
Juicy. Oops.
Oh, looky there.
Fucking, you smell me? Sorry,
Listen at that language. I'm sure Mary McCabe, or whatever her name is gonna have some content.
It's funny because it's not that smoky.
It's not just, this sensor was heat too.
I think so.
And it's far.
Wow.
Just as the heat will get, I think. It's not even smoky.
No.
I just opened the thing.
I know.
Yeah.
I have very...
He's a nut.
Alarm. Testing. I had earbuds in. It's like, ah! All of you who have earbuds in, sorry.
See, this is crazy. Okay. 1 minute, better than this noise.
Yeah.
And I have to show everything because one of the assholes will say, you're banning for it. Here. This is top. I like this color to serve it. This is the bottom.
Oh, that fan's off now. That's better.
We're talking about, come join me on my Discord, or just switching each other's codes, this, that, all that shit, and all that.
If you need to give somebody your code or your YouTube or your Discord or whatever, go on Messenger. Don't come to my channel.
So,
And you need to stop because Dawn, your motherfucker need to be out. Yes, I know. Elisa out. Ariel G out. I'm not gonna have between.
Farm Sheriff is gone too.
Between, I'm not playing this game. I see you, but I just wanna make sure, give you a chance. But I know your game. Talking into you're here, go as a channel talking shit about me, Ariel, Dawn, and I blocked you 3-4 times. This is my problem. I'm straight up to the point. You like it, like it. You don't like it, leave.
Click, they should, one of them should go live so they can all hang out together.
Go fuck yourself.
They come to the chats just to be, I don't know.
Just to be having gang. I know you're gang 5-6 people. I know.
I said it before and I'll say it again. My high school days are over. That's not what we want in this chat. So make yourself...
You know the one I blocked the most? jokes on you, I respect you too much.
Yeah.
Because you do what you feel. Those people two-faced. They just come here and I see you. Don't think you're smart. Don't think ever you're smarter than people. Because people can be smart too. I swear, sometimes comment I don't understand the perfect English, but I sense them. Right? Lady?
Are you sorry?
Sometimes comments, I told you, sometimes I don't understand what they mean, but I don't sense it
You
right.
have sense, yeah, you have a sense that it's not, well, me, I've been seeing this click for a while and everywhere, different chats, and they're trying to do the same thing here. Yeah, of course, now they went to her. Of course, she's live. Wait, bye-bye.
Second kid?
Time to go do that over there now. I'm done with that stuff.
Until when? Believe me, she's not gonna be able to do it anymore. And I'm not gonna talk. I just keep it silent for now.
Valerie J says, off topic, but the plates look nice.
What's that?
Off topic, but the plates look nice.
What off topic mean?
Because we're talking about all kinds of other things, so she wants
Thank
to kind
you.
of
I have
bring it
to
back the-
sometime. Thank you so much. So guys, I'm sorry. I don't need to be in this mood. I don't want it to. Me too, as a person, I don't want. But this is who I am too. Push. I need to release.
Jokes on you says, thank you, Nader, respect.
You're welcome. That's true. I block her like I told you. I bet you she's here, and I'm not. You know, and I know. I block her like 100 times.
A lot of people here.
Like 100 times. She always white. I love that. These people come two-faced. I mean, here time, other way. Trolls. And how you, Alyssa, can be have life, and I don't know. I'm being a couple hours a day in live stream, and I feel like, okay, man, it's too much. You in every fucking single live stream. What is your fucking life?
Yeah, I don't understand that either.
And in every live stream, fucking motherfucking lying and trolling.
Carlos, don't worry. Says, hi, Nader TV, I don't like to see you upset.
Thanks,
Carlos.
Carlos. How come? I didn't get it. Like, I put myself in this. I always switch. Like, what I don't accept it happened to me, I don't do it to people.
Of course.
How come you being fucking at least 15, 16 hours from this channel, this channel? What is your life?
Yeah, he's talking about Alyssa.
Let's start others.
There's more, yeah. Alyssa, Ariel, Dawn, Karen Smith, Guy Fieri. You know who you are.
Doesn't make you smart. Make you fucking look asshole. Actually, look at yourself in the mirror and say, why I'm doing it. Correct yourself at night when you sleep. Say, why I'm doing this. What the reason for this? What about if the people do it to me?
But that's the thing, what I don't like is that this is exactly what she wants. She wants people to talk about it.
She don't even have a channel.
That's why.
You know, some people lie, like they're talking about other
Yeah.
reaction channel, whatever, lying and making propaganda because they get money. They get money. You get fuck all.
I'm telling you, Alyssa, the minute I see an Alyssa on this fucking track, it's gone.
No, I am, before I see you, I block you. Actually, I was decided this is yesterday. After I see you on other channel talking shit. And you come sorry. You say people will respect you when you come in today's chat and tomorrow's show to make set and today's show.
Oh my.
How you leave? How you fucking sleep?
Carmela, the new member, says, Nader, please don't let them upset you. You were in a great mood until assholes come in here to stir the pot.
It's not about true. I'm not talking. I was talking about true only. What upset me is just only the truth.
It's about the donations. It's about the
About donation, about this fucking bitch, and about this fucking. I will guide
the
you.
buffalon, everything like that.
I will guide you. Keep talking. You're a fucking redneck. Keep talking too.
Leanne Party Van, you're absolutely right. Every channel that she goes into, she causes trouble. Yeah, I've seen it with my own eyes.
Man, my age, maybe older, maybe this, almost. To straighten your ass and even like, para motherfucking fucking chocolate, motherfucking celebration. Fuck you.
Here, take a picture.
And fuck your lies.
Here.
You collecting my garbage. You collecting my garbage. When I kick somebody here, you go kiss their ass to come join you. You still like this.
Oh my. What
And I
a
don't
bunch.
I always say, I'm happy that I fill other people's fridge. Nader, you talk about my banana to collect view. Who fucking think you are, man? I will never fucking put fucking some other people. Nader's banana, whatever Michael banana is, you have respect to yourself. Talking about other people's dicks.
OMG, somebody's jealous.
You're man. Or you're supposed to
Nader
something
is jealous. Oh my.
Let's, enough about him.
Are you serious?
No, no, not for now, but you need to know, I'm taking you to the court. I'm taking you. She's gonna be in court, and maybe you don't believe me now, but she will serve time. You will know your turn coming. She will be in court, so you know I'm not talking shit. And you know how I
Okay.
got you. It's just a step one by one.
Right. And how long's that gonna take you? Whatever. You're all full of crap. Oh my gosh. Wow. Jealous Nader. Ooh, Dee didn't like it either. Dee, sorry. See you guys on the next
I
one.
know you're gonna be crying.
Love you, treasures.
Oh, I'm just listening people to say that. No, it doesn't work in court.
Remember, you're all beautiful. Ha ha ha. Jealous Nader.
Like ugly genius too. I'm making actually this video. What's my mom? She's admin of my mod page.